Alright, so if you don't already know, go on mud crabbing.
We're just going to be looking around here, maybe in the water a bit. Just looking for some big ass mud crabs to cook up and eat on fire. So let's get going.
Alrighty, so being really stupid, we forgot to turn on the camera, so we'll just go straight into the second mud crab.
Don't touch it.
Alright, so yeah, obviously these guys move their claws quicker, and see if Isaac can get him out for you. Whoa. Yep.
Don't get my feet, mate.
Corner of the bucket. Whoa! He's mad.
You don't want that to
boy.
get the
Should I let it bite the camera?
No, I don't want my camera broken. And he's saying that especially. This guy's spicy as crab.
Alright, so grab those back legs. Just grab it. Just grab the back legs. Just grab it. He can't bite you if you grab those back legs.
Okay, come on. I'm scared right now. This guy's crazy. But... If you get bitten, don't fling at me.
Alright guys, so let's tell Isaac how how he sees the male. And yeah. He's obviously undersized, I feel him. He's very hard, so he obviously has a lot of meat in him, but, you know, he's not legal, so we'll just put him back.
You actually need crabs about 15 centimetres to be size.
15 millimeters.
Millimetres?
Like, yeah, centimeters, sorry, yeah.
Millimetres, like, big. Yeah, he's undersized.
Yeah, he's undersized, yeah. Alright, so, we'll put him back.
Put him somewhere he can't get attacked by anything. All good.
Cool. Let's go look for some more.
So we've just spotted a crab. This one's pretty small.
It's probably going to be a female, disappointingly. But I'll just get him.
It's not as aggressive as...
Alright, so she's obviously got it. Got it. Boom. So,
Female?
yep, she's a female.
Yeah, you can see that wide, kind of circular.
And yeah, normally they have the smaller claws and bigger bodies, so yeah, we'll just put her back. She feels nice and hard though, but can't take her. So, we'll keep on looking. Hopefully we'll get another one. Oh my gosh, dude! Oh my gosh, dude!
This one's so big. This is
Dude, this is massive! No, okay. Get round. Dude, grab your camera. Grab the camera. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my, I don't even know how I'm gonna get him, he's that big. Ow, my head! Oh my
god.
god.
Shoe just broke.
Did it actually?
Yeah.
That's a dog.
Don't put your hand over it. Oh. Boy, push him out further forward.
I got it.
You've got your hand right there, and that's ready to be bitten.
Got him!
Okay, come on.
Holy dooly, dude!
Dude, that's definitely...
Oh my gosh, he's so heavy! He's so heavy! He's humongously... Oh, I can't hold him! Alright, let's just get him in the bucket.
To stop the other crabs biting him, we put my thongs in there. I'm going barefoot from now on.
Yeah, boy.
Pretty good.
Oh my gosh, dude, really? How big?
Oh, I don't know, but I think it's a male. Yeah, he is. Okay,
Is he legal? Is he legal? Got him? Just hold it. Yes.
Okay, you can see those. This is one big crab. Don't want him to get me right now.
Nice. You'll be right. Dude, I found one. Quick. Dude, is it on?
Yep, all good.
Okay.
This big one.
Oh my gosh. Alright. He's got no back legs, so I'm going to have to try and get him by the claws, because otherwise he'll be able to bite. He's very big. I don't know if he's a... He might...
that will be a male.
Yeah, that'll be a male. He's got massive claws. Look at this. Look at the size of those claws. That's like, I can't even put my hand around it. Ah, there he is. There he is, and he'll feed us good tonight, yeah. So we've got 4, and you know, we're gonna put some chili sauce on them.
Yummy.
It tastes pretty good. Alright, put him in the bucket. Oh, don't let it bite. Right, so we got 4. Done. That was pretty successful.
Yep, let's get going. Okay, so after returning home with some delicious big ass mud crabs, we decided to cook them in a shed nearby.
Got it. Get all that yucky stuff out.
So we don't need to crack it completely, just a little bit. I probably shouldn't be the one doing this, but... Oh, great.
Yummy.
How do you even do this?
Oh my
Am I
god.
meant to pull further? Oh, yeah, I get it. Oh, that's gross.
Put some more chili juice in it.
Yummy.
Not that much.
It's beautiful. Chilies are real. Once they've turned yellow, we'll eat them up. It will be a great video and you'll like it and put it on Facebook and stuff. So.
How do you even do this?
Dude, look, some of it's starting to turn orange. Yeah, I'm not going to touch that. Hopefully that gets it. Some of it's starting to turn orange.
Oh, that's gross.
Oh, the grotty lid on. Let's give it a wash. Yeah, good job doing it on the lid. Oh, whoops. So bad at cooking. Right, so we'll just set that up for a little while.
Yummy.
15 minutes later.
Done. So we turned off the gas and we're just going to get these guys out. So, yep. This will be sketchy.
Do you want all that juice?
Yeah, I guess.
I don't think it would fit. It'd just come out the sides.
I'm just going to scrape it on. I don't know, we'll start with that. Alright. So, welcome to 300's Kitchen. You like the chili sauce?
It's awesome.
Yeah. So we might put in the link in the description how to make the sauce for you guys. It is actually unbelievable, you know. Finger. Dude. I forgot to put something in. You want to say something?
No, I'm all good.
Alright, so obviously we want to try and get enough views to get a better camera for you guys.
And a skateboard.
And we don't need a skateboard.
I do.
We can always use the penny.
Dude, the penny sucks. It's like a cruiser. I want a trick. I've got a longboard, I've got a penny, but I don't have a skateboard.
No one's